Hey, friends. Want to help me move some dirt?
Go on.
Well, this is a job for...
Bo's gonna get the key, okay?
my excavator. Come on.
You're gonna drive.
No, I hold on the seal.
Ooh, that's a good idea too.
I'm an excavator. Excavator.
Nice work.
Hey,
on
dirt.
Good
See you
navigation.
later. I'm an
Nice
excavator. I've got a great big arm and a
What's
great
that, Andre?
big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm an excavator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground. Wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet? No feet? How do you get around? I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator.
We're going to Science World?
Yeah!
Okay.